So this is the TDS group from the AVB U13s. This is a international camp in the Netherlands where we'll play some high-level amateur clubs and some professional clubs at U14 and U13 level.
How many kids are going today?
22 boys, all registered to football clubs in Aruba, part of the AVB TDS FIFA Talent Academy. They've been in a full-time program now for just over a year, and they are looking to try and get an international call-up to the CFU 2026 U14 boys squad.
How was the training and all that?
The training's been really productive. I think we've seen some real big steps, development in individuals over the last 12, 14 months. We saw them mature on and off the pitch, understand about how disciplined they need to be. They've built a level of resilience, self-management, time organisation, nutrition, managing their own academics. So they're really grown into mature young teenagers, which is what we want to do. Whether they're footballers or not, we want to leave young adults that are in a better place to help develop Aruba as a country on and off the football pitch.
And when are the events?
We will land obviously tomorrow. We will have a training session, and then from Wednesday onwards we'll play games. On Friday we'll have a double header, a U13 and 14 game, and next Sunday we'll have a double header, a U13 and 14 game, and then Monday we will fly back to Aruba.